I get this question quite a lot. Can I travel on an expired passport? Now, I'm going to answer this question and the one that you should be asking that you have not asked. The question you are probably asking me is, can I enter Jamaica on an expired passport? You certainly can. You are Jamaican, you may enter Jamaica on an expired passport. But before you can enter Jamaica, you have to get on the flight. Will the airline let you board? That is the question you should ask. Will the airline board you with an expired passport? Because to get to Jamaica, you must first get on the flight. That question is a question for the airline. I can't answer that. But what I can tell you is, from my experience of late, many airlines are no longer accepting you with an expired passport. So if you hope to travel urgently, please contact the airline you hope to travel with. If they will, great. If they will not let you board, then you have to use an emergency travel certificate. If it's an emergency, because you also cannot get that unless you have a dire emergency, emphasis on the dire, which is probably a good time for me to tell you, check your passport to make sure it is not expired. Do not wait until you have an emergency. So my client right now has a wedding to attend, their mother's wedding, and it looks like they will not be able to make it because they're not eligible for the Express Passport Service because they have a 5-year passport. I'm Gail of 876 Documents. I can only lead the horse to the water. I cannot make him drink. Thank you for watching.